Hey, have you ever had that one food you know you shouldn't have because you'll feel so unhealthy and it's just so fattening, yet you still have it, and after you eat it, you don't regret anything, and you feel fucking fantastic. Ooh, chocolate. I'll just have one.
Mr. Bombastic, we order some bombastic, romantic, fantastic lover. Shaggy, Mr. Lover, lover, now Mr. Lover, lover, girl, Mr. Lover, lover, now Mr. Lover, lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on the back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Call me fantastic, touch me on the back, she says I'm Mr. Smooth, just like a silk, soft and cuddly, hug me up like.
Yeah. Have you ever gone into your yearbook to look at yourself to see what you used to look like 5 years ago? And you do, and you realize that you're just as ugly as you were 5 years ago. Hey Mom, I found an old yearbook in the garage. I want to see what I looked like 5 years ago. Honestly, you look the same as you did 5 years ago. Yeah, I guess you're right. I should be coming up very soon. Ah, here I am. What? Here, let me see. Look. Here, can't be that bad. Oh my god! Anyways, that's why I don't like going into the yearbook. Oh well, I hope you enjoyed this. If not, I don't blame you, really. Until next time, bye!